Good morning, students. Let us continue exercise 9.1, question number 8. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of, less than, greater than and equal to. Our first sum is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Now you know negative numbers are less than positive number, and this is negative number and this is a positive number. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Therefore, minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Understood? Next, minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Now see. Now here the denominators are different. So what we will do? We will make the common denominator. So LCM is 35. LCM is equal to 35. Now minus 4 by 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 4 into 7, 28, and minus 28. Next, minus 5 by 7 into 5, 35, and minus 5 5 are 25. Now you can easily see which one is greater. Which one is greater here? Now in negative number, this number is greater than this one. And a smaller number is greater than the greatest number. So minus 28. See, minus 28 is less than minus 25. So which one is greater? Minus 5 by 7 is greater. Therefore, minus 4 by 5 is less than minus 5 by 7. Here also same method. See, minus 7 by 8 and 14 by minus 16. Now we have to make the denominator common. So here the LCM is 16. LCM, when you do the LCM, you will get the LCM 16. So make the denominator same. 7 by 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. Next, minus 14 by minus 16 into. Now what we will do to make it positive? Minus 1 into minus 1. So 14 into minus 1 is minus 14, and minus 16 into minus 1 is minus plus 16. Now see, both are equal. Therefore, minus 14 is equal to minus 14. Therefore, minus 7 by 8 is equal to 14 by minus 16. Understood? This is your homework. Question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? This is, I am giving you homework, and this is just like question number 8. You will find the LCM, then make the denominators common, and then you will find which is greater. Now see here, the fifth sum is in mixed fractions. So what we will do? You will convert into simple fraction. Then you will do just find the LCM and make common denominator, and you will do. Okay. Question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Now see, here all the denominators are same. Now you know, in negative number, minus 3 is less than minus 2 is less than minus 2 is less than minus 1. So these rational numbers are already given in ascending order. So ascending the order of this rational number is minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Now here second sum, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9 and minus 4 by 3. Now here what we will do? We will make the common denominator. So the LCM of these numbers are 9. LCM is equal to 9. Minus 1 by 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next, minus 2 by 9 into 1 is equal to 9 by minus 2. Next, minus 4 by 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and minus. Now, you already know, so minus 12 is smaller than minus 3 and minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Now see, let us write in ascending order. So minus 4 by 3, then minus 3 by 9, that is minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 9. In the same way you will do sum number 3. This is your homework. Exercise 9.2, question number 1. Find the sum. Now this is just like our fraction. In fraction what we were doing? For plus, subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. This is just same as fraction chapter. Now see, we have to find the sum. Now here the denominator both are same. So how you will do? 5. Now plus minus, minus 11 by 4. Now what you will do? You will subtract 5 from 11. That is 6. And the sign is minus. Minus 6 by 4. Now you can again cut this by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So minus 3 by 2. Again you want, then you can divide this and convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. Now sum number 2. Now see here the denominators are different. So first what you will do? You will make it common. Now the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. LCM is equal to 15. So 5 by 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 5 5s are 25. Next is 3 by 5. To make the denominators 15, what we will do? We will multiply by with 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Now 25 plus 9 by 15 is equal to 34 by 15. This is your answer. Now question number 6. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0. So minus 2 by 3 plus 0 by 3. Denominator same we have done. So the denominator is equal. So when you multiply 3 with 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Plus here also 3 into 1 is 3 and 0 no 1 is 0. Okay. So minus plus minus 2 minus 0 is 2 and the greater sign is minus. So your answer is minus 2 by 3. This is your homework. Question number 2. Find. First sum is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. Again, denominators are different. So what you will do? You will find the LCM. Now the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. LCM is equal to 72. Now make the denominators equal. So 7 by 24 into, with what? You will multiply 24 to get 72. 3. So 24 3s are 72 and 7 into 3 21. Now next 17 by 36. You will multiply 36 with 2 and 17 with 2. 36 2s are 72 and 17 into 2 34. Now 21 minus 34 by 72. Now subtract 21 from 34. You will get 13. And the greater sign is minus by 72. This is your answer. Now here, sum number 2. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. So first minus minus plus. So let us write first like this way. Plus 6 by 21. Now again denominators different. You have to find the LCM. LCM will come 63. LCM is equal to 63. So 5 by 63 into 1 is equal to 5 by 63. Next 6 by 21. You will multiply 3 with 21. So 63 and 6 3s are 18. So 5 plus 18 by 63. So 23 by 63 is your answer. Now this is your homework. Question number 3. Find the product. Product means you have to multiply. Now first is 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. So what you will do here? 9 into minus 7 divide by 2 into 4. 9 7s are 63. Minus 63 and 2 into 4. 8. You can divide and convert into mixed fraction also. Next 3. Now see minus 9. If no denominator is there, then it is 1. Okay. 3 into minus 9 divide by 10 into 1. 3 into 9 is equal to 27 and minus 27 by 10. Now this is your homework. Question number 4. Find the value of. Now first sum is minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Now here no denominator, so what we will do? we will put 1. Now, for division what we are doing? This will change into multiplication, and here this will become reciprocal. That means 3 will become the numerator and 2 will become the denominator. Okay, is equal to, you can cut also, yeah, directly. 4 into 3 is 12, minus 12 divide by 2. Now 12 and 2 you can divide, minus 6 is your answer. Next, minus 3 by 5 divide by 2. Same, no denominator, so 1. Minus 3 by 5 divide by 2 by 1. Minus 3 by 5, divide will change into multiplication, and 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5 2s are 10. Next, minus 1 by 8 divide by 3 by 4. Divide will become multiply, and here it will become the reciprocal. So 1 into 4 is 4 and minus 9. Minus 4, 8 into 3, 24. Here you can cut. 4 ones are 4, minus 1, and 4 6 are. So your answer is minus 1 by 6. Now this is your homework. With this we complete our chapter